You don't really need money to make money. When growing up, I heard a lot of my family, friends, and even experts saying that it takes money to make money. So, of course, I started believing that this was true. So, if you believe it takes money to make money, I don't blame you. I get you. It was only when I started studying multimillionaires and billionaires that I realized that this belief was limiting myself from manifesting, attracting, and even making money. So I had to let this belief go. What about you? Do you think that the belief of you need money to make money is true or not? Please leave me a comment below explaining your view. In his best-selling book, Money, Know More, Make More, and Give More, my multimillionaire mentor, Rob Moore, debunks this idea that you need money to make money by saying this. For people have the poor belief that you need money to make money, but wealthy people have a wealthy belief. As my mentor Tony Robbins, who is one of the highest paid performance coach and successful entrepreneur, once told me, creativity is the ultimate resource. So you need creativity to translate your ideas, your energy, and resources into cash.